Earthquake 101 with Teacher Jo. Hello everyone! Today we will talk about what you should do during and after an earthquake. Do not panic, everything will be okay. As long as everyone follows these few simple reminders. During an earthquake, reminder number 1, drop down. Drop down onto your hands and knees. Reminder number 2, cover. Cover your head and neck or get under a sturdy shelter. Reminder number 3, hold on. Hold on to something. Reminder number 4, avoid objects that could fall. Avoid windows, facades, and architectural details, and do not stand in a doorway. Reminder number 5, stay where you are. Are you inside? Stay inside. Are you outside? Stay outside. Do not run outside or to other rooms during shaking. After an earthquake, once the shaking stops, watch out for furniture or debris that will become loose and might fall. Be on the alert for potential fires, gas leaks, and damage to electrical systems. Slowly and calmly evacuate the house or building using the stairs or emergency exits. Gather at designated assembly points clear from tall structures such as power lines and buildings. Check if there are missing people in your group so authorities can be alerted immediately. Emergency preparedness starts with you. 8 things that should be in your emergency disaster kit. Number 1, maps or personal documents. Number 2, chargers or power banks. Number 3, radio. Number 4, emergency blanket. Number 5, medicine and first aid items. Number 6, flashlight. Number 7, whistle or bell. And number 8, food and water. That's it for today. Thank you. Don't forget our reminders on what to do during and after an earthquake.
If you like our video, give us a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below.